Following the release of the Infinix Hot 50i, the Infinix Hot 50 is now available, and for the price of around 240,000 naira, what does it offer? Should you even buy it? Well, these questions and more will be answered in the course of this video, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the new design Infinix is adopting. I can totally say it's a breath of fresh air. We really haven't seen anything like this, honestly, and I hope they stick with this or continue to bring fresh ideas in their future releases. Also, let me know your thoughts on this design in the comment section below that like button. And speaking of button, the power button also serves as a fingerprint scanner, which works well. There's also the volume button, and at the bottom a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, and sadly a mono speaker setup, which is odd considering that the lesser Infinix Hot 50i comes with a stereo speaker setup. Anyways, build quality is plastic, which is expected, but once again this design looks so good. It is minimal, which is right up my alley. Display is a large one, 6.78 inches to be exact. That's more than enough. It's an IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and support for a 120Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling through social media apps will be smooth and watching content too will be at full HD quality. Software is Android 14 with XOS 14.5. It offers the regular features you would come to expect from Infinix devices like Smart Panel, floating windows, the dynamic bar, and more. There are also pre-installed apps which you can uninstall or disable. As for software updates, well, I am confident that you'll be getting the occasional patches from time to time, which is better than nothing. But when it comes to major OS software upgrades, then that might not be coming to the Infinix Hot 50. If I am to guess, maybe the Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus will be getting that feature, but that is speculation from my own part. Handling all your day-to-day tasks is the all-new MediaTek Helio G100. Honestly, I see it as a slightly tweaked MediaTek Helio G99. You might as well not notice any performance increase, to be honest. But with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you are sure to be able to run your favorite apps well with no hiccups, unless you are trying to run games at the highest settings. But even at that, you'll still be fine. Call of Duty runs on high frame rates at medium graphics quality, so 60 FPS-ish. Powering the Infinix Hot 50 is a 5000 mAh battery capable of lasting you through the entire day, and when you need to charge it up, it is capable of 33 watts fast charging. Yes, the charger comes in the box, and at that speed you can get up to 100% from 0% in about an hour, which I think is very alright in 2024. Now, let's talk cameras. At the rear, technically, the Infinix Hot 50 has 3 cameras, but the main one actually taking those photos is the 50MP main camera, and up front is the 8MP selfie camera. And when you compare this camera to the one on the Infinix Hot 50i, you really wouldn't notice any difference. My theory is that they use exactly the same camera and processing on both devices, which is honestly expected, and at the end of the day, they still perform decent in okay lighting conditions, so you just have to shoot in a well-lit environment to get the best experience out of this camera. Also, video can be recorded up to 1080p 30 frames per second from both the rear camera and the selfie camera. Alright, should you buy the Infinix Hot 50? Honestly, although it's a nice device, for 240,000 naira it could be better. But in reality, the reason why this device costs this much in the first place is our economy. Typically, if the economy doesn't have anything to do with it, this device shouldn't be more than 150,000 naira at the maximum. But hey, this economy, that's what you get. And if you want an alternative, personally, I would say you should just save a bit more and get the Galaxy S21, UK used that is. But then again, not everyone buys UK used devices, so I respect that. But yeah, let me know your own thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.